today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.
All right, so this Little Red Doors Orsu Hotel, it's $1,500 with breakfast, $13 no breakfast. If you do 30 days, it's $30,000 no breakfast, so $1,000 a day. Yeah, the Orsu. It's right across from Amigos. All these little massage spots, the rain. Very convenient spot. You have the hotel. Taco Warma is right here. But, the red doors. All the rooms have balconies except for the lower level rooms. But you don't have to go up steps if you want these two lower level rooms down here. Not bad. Orsu Hotel. You got a little fridge. You got a little sink area. Probably about a 30-inch TV or something. A little wardrobe here. Second and third floor would have a balcony. The only difference on the ground floor, but no stairs to walk, so that's good. If you don't want to walk upstairs. Yeah, little bathroom here. Very small. Clean, but small. Little shower. Hot water heater, of course. All right, here in the Alicia Hotel, Condotel, they got a little pool in here, in the middle here, and they got rooms nightly and monthly. Let's see what we got. This is how much? $1,600 a night. So you got two beds, single, and it looks like a full-size bed. Little couch area, little table, nice little kitchenette, split type air unit, probably a 32-inch TV, and see what the bathroom's like. Oh, nice little wardrobe built into the bathroom. Not too bad. Little $30 a month all in, electric and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, electricity at all, $30,000 all in. The bathroom, basic shower, toilet, sink areas out here. $30,000 all in, huh? And a pool. And this unit's available right here?
It's available.
This one here is available?
Yes, sir, yes.
And then if you got this room, you're poolside. I mean, you come right out here to the pool. Clean pool. Little units out here. All right, so that was the standard room, and we're going to check out a different room up here. It's a, what would you call this one, a deluxe or executive room? So you have an executive room available on the upper unit here, second floor. Now, do you have a lot of people staying here? Is it fully booked, or do you have a 30%? So it looks like they have plenty of rooms available here. 30% occupied right now, so there's plenty to have. Oh, this is an upstairs downstairs unit. Check it out. All right. So pretty much the same kind of layout. Got a small bed down here. I'd make this my couch. And a little bigger kitchen. Half bath here. All right, so you got your little half bath in the lower floor. So you got two bathrooms in this unit. Very convenient. I better focus up higher. All I'm getting is Mercy's butt going up the steps. Better focus on the Far East Poppy shirt. Yeah, you got some separate bedroom up here. You got this glass partition. It's got a standard unit up here. If I were here long term, I'd change that out, but I think the electric's included, so as long as it keeps it cool. Little TV here. And the bathroom for the master. Oh, built-ins here. There we go. All right, decent little bathroom. $40,500 a month for this unit. And that's all in. That's all in, electric included. All right, not bad, not bad. Let me get down these steps without breaking my neck. All right, got the split type in the bottom unit, standard air conditioner in the top bedroom, but it's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, it's nice.
And you got a pool. This has got a pool view. So it looks like all these units here on the second floor have upstairs bedroom units at the top. So that's a 2-story unit on the second floor. Yeah, there you go. Pretty cool little setup. It's right here next to the Candy Palace. I'll show you the front entryway. And go from there. Get out to the lobby again. Just popped in here thinking, oh, I better show you guys something different. More options. And here it is. You just walk straight out and you're right across the street. You got it. There's that ATM that's here that doesn't eat your card, I believe, right next door to this. Candy Palace is your neighbor if you stayed in this unit. The Oyo Alicia Condotel. Janice Apartel is next door. I'm going to see if I can see one of their rooms as well. Here's the ATM that does not eat your card. Very nice. Right at your front door too. So you got an ATM right outside your apartment. How convenient. Now this is definitely a good option for most people coming here, long or short term. Nice little spot, you get a pool. I also just found out they're not associated with this Oyo deal anymore. They just have the sign back up there, Oyo 123. Their contract's not with them any longer. So the owner is independent here. He's not working with a company like Oyo or Red Doors, even though the sign is still up. But yeah, not a bad little spot. Nice little budget spot with a pool. And it's all inclusive. Electricity and everything. Alicia Condotels.